Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, your one stop for learning all the mathematics short tricks which are required to crack the competitive exams, develop 10 times faster speed of calculations and build up that aptitude in mathematics which is required for great success in future years. So friends, I hope you are watching all the videos which I have been posting of late. They are all based on the very basic thing in mental mathematics, that is how to add and subtract the numbers very quickly in mind. And if you are good in addition and subtraction, then the higher calculation like squaring, square roots, cubing, then percentages, and then multiplication of numbers, division of numbers, they become so very easy for all of you. So this is the chapter 1 of the book of our quantitative aptitude preparation, which is entitled Adding and Subtracting 10x Faster, and this video is entitled the dot method. This is one of the very important methods in Vedic maths, and I am going to demonstrate how quickly you can add large numbers when you are given 4 or 5 numbers and you have to add them. Especially very important for school students and for all the competitive exam aspirants, the banking exams, the railways exams, a must watch video for all those exams. Watch. So what is the concept used in the trick? Now when I say dot method, now there is something very important to learn and understand first. See, suppose you have numbers like 38, 47, 86, 24 to be added. Now what do the students do normally? They add the unit digits, right? So when they add the unit digits, they add 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 4, 25, like that, right? So if you have bigger numbers, then your answer for only adding the unit digits might go up to maybe 25 or 30 or even beyond. If the numbers are 6 or 7, then it might go up to 45, 50 also. So the students commit error when they add all the unit digits together. The dot method helps you in eliminating that step. So whenever your total, that means the sum of the unit digits, goes beyond 18, yes, beyond 18, then you don't have to add the next digit to that big number. So watch how the dot method helps in this case. So I'm just going to get rid of these annotations so that you can understand it better. Here we have the numbers 8, 7, 6, 4 to be added. So the students will be prompted to do 8 plus 7, which is 15. Now they will remember 5 in the mind, and this 1 will become a dot in the next, that means the previous column of numbers, that means the tens places. Now they have to remember only 5 and not 15. That is the concept. So 5, and now they will add 5 to 6, which gets them 11. So they have to remember only 1, and this 1 becomes another dot in the previous column. Similarly, 1 plus 4 is 5, so they will write a 5 here, and now these dots are like ones. So they have to consider a dot as 1 and simply add again. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. They are all single digit numbers. Still here 9. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. So they will remember the 7 and put a dot in the previous column. There is no column here, but still they can write a dot here. So 7. 7 plus 2, 9. And finally the dot here means the number 1. 195. Now this is the concept used in the trick. Now you can see, actually I can demonstrate it using big numbers also. Suppose you have 7, 4, 3, 5, 8, 5 digit number here, and I take 896 here, and then 2949. Now I have to add these numbers. So it's a big number, all the numbers which I am taking up are having units which are bigger. So let's see how dot method works. 8 plus 6 is 14. So the student will remember only 4 and put a dot in the previous column. 4 plus 9 is 13. So student will remember 3 and put a dot in the previous column again. Now there is no other number here, so the 3 comes in as the unit digit of the sum. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, right? So 6, put a dot. 6 plus 4, 10, put a dot and remember the 0. So we have a 0 here. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13. So 3, put a dot. 3 plus 9, 12. So you can put a dot here also, and 12 means 2. Now see, I've used dots here, whereas I am putting a dot here because ultimately you have to consider it as 1 and then add all the vertical numbers. So 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, and finally the 7 comes down without any change, giving you the sum as 78203. So I hope you have understood the concept of the trick. Now let us apply it to crack the questions very quickly. See, 63, 44, 98. So what do we do? 8 plus 4 is 12. So put a dot and remember the 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 means remember the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Remember the 0. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. Likewise, if you have numbers like this, 198, 74, 313. Start using the unit digits. 8 plus 4, 12. So 2, 2 plus 3, 5. And then 1 plus 9, 10 means 0. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now 1, 1, 3 is 5. So 585 is the sum. See, my total is not going beyond 18 at any stage of calculation. And this is what is the beauty of dot method. Here you have the numbers 939, 456, 877 to be added. Now 9 plus 6 is 15, so 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Put a dot, 12 means 2. Now 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 is 10, so put a dot, 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. 1 plus 9 is 10 means 0. 0 plus 4 is 4 itself, and 4 plus 8 is 12. So put a dot and the 2, and finally 1 plus 1, 2. 2, 2, 7, 2. Next up you have 2, 9, 4, 3, 126, 432 and 49 to be added. So it's very important that you write them correctly one below the other. Now start. You can start from bottom or from the top, whatever suits you. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 means 1. 1 plus 9, 10. Put a dot anywhere. 10 means 0. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 means 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Then 1 plus 9, 10. So put a dot. 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. And then 2 plus 1, 3. 3550 is the sum. Likewise, I can go on and show you the efficiency of the method. The method is going to go a great deal in saving so much of time in competitive exams. Let's take another question here. This will be the final one for the video, in which I have taken even a 5-digit number, 4-digit numbers and 3-digit number also. So let's check. Let's write 9, 5, 3, 4 and then 6, 5, 4, 0, 3 and then 5, 6, 9 and then 4, 5, 3, 4. So I have written them properly one below the other like this. Now 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 6, 7 plus 9, that is 16. So 16 means remember the 6. 6 plus 4, 10, put a dot, remember the 0. Now this becomes 0. Now start with this. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. So we have a dot. So till here it is 0. So 1, 3 means 4. Then we have 1 plus 5 plus 4, 10. So dot and a 0. 0 means 5 plus 5, 10. So put a dot and we have a 0 again. 9 plus 1, 10. Put a dot, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Put a dot, 0. And then we have the 8. So 8, 0, 0, 4, 0 is the sum of these 4 numbers. See how the dot method helps us in eliminating the sum of digits whose sum comes out to be more than 18, and that's where the source of error gets eliminated. So friends, very very important method, and you need to study from our ebook of short trick. Very very important asset for all the people who are in school level or preparing for any placement exams. So friends, if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and don't forget to click the bell shaped icon so that you keep on getting all the notifications of the future uploads on this lovely channel. Do like the video and give it a hype so that it has greater chances of coming in the feed of other aspirants who are interested in developing their mathematical skills. So friends, all the best for the practice of this amazing dot method.